Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by working on clean, hydrated skin. You want a smooth base right away. Apply a lightweight moisturizer and pat until slightly set. Then, squeeze a pea-sized amount of primer. Focus on the T-zone, cheeks, and any large pores. Press and smooth with your fingertips. Once done, wait about 30 to 60 seconds so the primer develops a slight tack. This helps foundation adhere. Make sure to avoid over-applying primer. Too much creates slip. And foundation. Pick the right foundation formula for your skin and shake or mix if needed. Dab small dots in the center of the face, forehead, nose, cheeks, chin. Then start blending outward with a damp sponge or dense brush. Press and bounce rather than drag to maintain the primer bond. This seals the base. Once done, add thin second layers only where needed to avoid cakiness. Make sure to blend down the jawline and into the hairline so there's no visible edge. Finish by setting oily zones with a light dusting of translucent powder. Press with a puff in the T-zone. For dry or textured areas, use a hydrating mist or a fingertip dab of cream to restore glow. Avoid heavy powders there. If you notice separation or patchiness, gently blot excess product. Reapply a very small amount of primer on that spot, then relayer a thin coat of foundation and blend. This method fixes issues while preserving smooth, natural coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.